So in the last class, already I explained the multiples and submultiples derivations. See, what are the multiples? Angles like 2a, 3a, 4a are called the multiples. With the help of that only we are writing submultiples here. First I am writing multiples. Sin 2a, sin 2a or 2x. If you are written in the form of x, write on x. 2x will be written as 2 sin x into cos x. This is a multiple. And what is the relation between right side and left side? Here see left side it is a 2x. Angle is 2x. When you move to right side, angle becomes x. That means half of that. This is a multiple. With the help of this, how you write submultiple? Here. Sin x. What is the half of x? Half of x is x by 2. It is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now next one is sin 2x. For sin 2x we have one more formula, that is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. With the help of this submultiple is sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is the multiple and this is submultiple. Next, this is first one. Second one is for cos 2x. Cos 2x will be written as cos square x minus sin square x. See again what is the relation between left side and right side? Whatever is angle on the left side, its half we will get on right side. So like that, submultiple is cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Next, second solution is cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. And here how will write? Submultiple 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Third one, cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. See, please note down whatever is angle we are writing half of that. Here it is cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Next, fourth one, cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Here it is cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Whatever is angle, we are writing half of that. Next, moving to the third one, that is tan 2x. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is multiple. Submultiple is tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. See, after that I am giving you two important formula. They are very important. See, cos 2x we have 2 cos square x minus 1. When you rearrange, take minus 1 on this side. 1 plus cos 2x will be written as 2 cos square x. Please note down this. Or depending on the problem, cos square x will be written as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. And how you write submultiple? If it is 1 plus cos x, this will be 2 cos square x by 2. So this is the first one. In the second one, we have cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Again when you rearrange, 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. This is also very important. Or depending on the problem, sin square x will be written as 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. This is a multiple. What is the submultiple? 1 minus cos x will be written as 2 sin square x by 2. Please note down, these are very important formula. After that we are moving to the next derivations. These derivations they will ask in the examination either for 2 marks or 3 marks. Now I am explaining the multiples. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Second one, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Suppose if they ask derivation out of 3, if any one, these questions are for 3 marks. So I will explain these questions one by one. First one, we have first one, sin 3x. How will you split sin 3x? Sin 2x plus x. Have you remembered sin x plus y formula? Sin x plus y is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. In place of x we have 2x, in place of y we have x. Sin 2x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. Now see, everything is in the form of sine. We have to convert that to sine and the angle is x. So sin 2x will be written as 2 sin x into cos x. This cos x I kept as it is, and cos 2x we have a 4 solution. Out of 4 I am using 1, and that is purely in terms of sine. That is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Refer that formula list. Cos 2x will be 1 minus 2 sin square x. Out of 4 I am using this one. Now 2 sin x as it is. Cos x into cos x is cos square x plus, here remove the bracket, 1 into sin x minus 2 into sin cube x. Now 2 sin x I kept as it is, cos square x. How you write cos square x in terms of sin? Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Cos square x will be 1 minus sin square x with the help of identity. In the bracket, 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x as it is. Now again remove the bracket. 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. See here 2 sin x plus sin x is what? 3 sin x. So left side as it is, sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x, and what is minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x? That is minus 4 sin cube x. So this is the derivation of sin 3x. Now we are moving to the next derivation, that is cos 3x. So here also we are splitting that cos 3x as cos 2x plus x. We have cos 3x is cos 2x plus x. See the formula, cos x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Apply this formula. This is cos 2x into cos x minus sin 2x into sin x. How you split cos 2x? Cos 2x will be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x into sin x. So I am writing the formula here. Cos 2x will be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Here remove the bracket. 2 cos square x into cos x is 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus sin x into sin x is sin square x into cos x. 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2. Tell me how you split sin square x in terms of cos square. Here sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Sin square x will be written as 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x into cos x. 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2, keep as it is, remove the bracket. 1 into cos x is cos x minus cos cube x. Next step, take minus 2 inside. Cos 3x is equal to 2 cos cube x minus cos x. Here remove the bracket, take minus 2 inside. Minus 2 cos x minus into minus plus 2 cos square x. 2 cos cube x. 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x is 4 cos cube x, and minus cos x is minus 3 cos x. So this is what? This is cos 3x. Next derivation. Now I am moving to the next one, that is tan 3x. If you are thorough in the formula with the help of basic formulas, identities, we will derive this. So again split tan 3x. Tan 3x will be written as tan 2x plus x. Tan 2x, what is tan x plus y? Tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So apply that formula. Tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. What is tan 2x? Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So write down that. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x whole upon 1 minus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Now take the LCM for both numerator and denominator. What is the LCM for numerator? 1 minus tan square x. So tan 3x is equal to 1 minus tan square x. This is 2 tan x plus the tan x, and LCM we took, that is 1 minus tan square x. In the denominator also LCM is 1 minus tan square x. Write it in the bracket, and 2 tan x into tan x is minus is there, minus 2 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x. See, this 1 minus tan square x and 1 minus tan square x get cancelled. Write down the remaining terms. Tan 3x is equal to 2 tan x plus tan x in the bracket to 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. Next, remove the bracket here. 2 tan x as it is. When you remove the bracket, tan x into 1 is tan x, plus into minus is minus, tan x into tan square x is tan cube x divided by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x is minus 3 tan square x. So tan 3x is equal to 2 tan x plus tan x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So please practice this derivations also. Next one is the transformation formula. See, already we are familiar with sin x plus y. What is the sin x plus y? Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. And we are familiar with sin x minus y also. That is sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. When you add these two equations, when you are adding, we are not changing the sign. Remember that. Here cos x into sin y minus cos x into sin y get cancelled. On left side, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus sin x into cos y. That is 2 sin x into cos y. That means the first formula is 2 sin x into cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, or the same formula will be written as sin x into cos y is equal to, taking 2 on that side, 1 by 2 in the brackets sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Is it clear? Moving to the second one. This is the first formula derivation. Moving to the second one. In the second one also I am writing the same formula here. Sin x plus y and sin x minus y. See, sin x plus y is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Second one is sin x minus y. That is sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Here I am going for subtraction. When you are doing the subtraction, change the sign of second equation. So here plus sin x into cos y minus sin x into cos y get cancelled. Left side is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y is equal to cos x into sin y plus cos x into sin y is 2 cos x into sin y. That means our second formula is 2 cos x into sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y, or the same formula will be written like this, or cos x into sin y is equal to, taking 2 on that side, 1 by 2 in the bracket sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Is it clear? Moving to the third derivation. At that time we are writing cos formulas. Cos x plus y and cos x minus y. So cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos of x minus y is cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. First, when you are adding these two, left side is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to minus sin x into sin y plus sin x into sin y get cancelled. Cos x into cos y plus cos x into cos y is 2 cos x into cos y. See, the third formula is 2 cos x into cos y is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y, or the same formula will be written as cos x into cos y is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. In the fourth one, with the same formula we are applying subtraction. Cos x plus y, write down that formula. Cos x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, and cos x minus y is cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. When you are going for subtraction, change the sign. Here it is minus cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to plus cos x into cos y minus cos x into cos y get cancelled, and here both have a minus sign, minus 2 sin x into sin y. See, the fourth formula is minus 2 sin x into sin y is equal to cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y, or the same formula will be written as sin x into sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2 in the bracket cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. So totally we derived 4 formula. With the help of these 4 formula, I am giving you the next 4. For that, first write down that 4 formula as it is, whatever we derived. First one is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to 2 sin x into cos y. Second one, sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y is 2 cos x into sin y. Third one, cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y is 2 cos x into cos y. Fourth one is cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is minus 2 sin x into sin y. So with the help of this 4 only I am giving you the next 4. Here put x plus y is equal to c and x minus y is equal to d. By solving these equations, see, they are just like a simultaneous equation. X plus y is c, x minus y is d. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x is equal to c plus d. So x is c plus d by 2. Please note down. Similarly, when you go for subtraction, x plus y is equal to c, x minus y is equal to d. Change the sign. Subtraction. Plus x minus x get cancelled. 2y is equal to c minus d. Y is equal to c minus d upon 2. Write all these values in this 4. Say I will write there here next by next only. Sin x plus y. What is x plus y? X plus y is c. Sin c plus sin d. Compare these two. Is equal to 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. First formula. Second one, sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2. Just I am writing that calculated values here. Into sin of c minus d by 2. Third one, this. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Fourth one, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. See, these are the formula derivations whatever we are studying in the first year. Now in the next class I will give the exercise based on all these formulas. Here in this first one, second one, third, fourth, this is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These 8 are very important and they are nothing but transformation formula.